How to improve your English? Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Bookish English. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to improve your English and my journey of improving my language. Well, I started from the very scratch when I was in school. I was really bad in this language. How I started watching videos in English, watching movies in English. If you do not understand movies in English, try to switch on the subtitles. Read on the subtitles. Read in English. Try to read newspapers, comics, books in English. If you want to learn any language, be it English, Hindi, German, French, anything, you have to make your whole environment about that language. For example, when you go out and you talk to your friends, try to talk in English even if you know that you're making mistakes. Do not hesitate. Only when you make mistakes you'll be able to know better, you'll be able to improve on your mistakes. So when I started with making small sentences. I used to make a lot of mistakes, but I made sure I'm still speaking in that language. Do not hesitate. Now start watching small videos. The best thing is to watch my videos in English. Now, it might sound funny, but I must tell you, the language they use in videos is perfect grammar. Kids watch videos and they watch videos to learn. That's why the people who make English videos, they make sure that they are using the perfect grammar and they are using the perfect language so that the kid can understand and learn. Start watching any videos in English. That is the best thing you can do. Otherwise, start watching movies in cartoons or in animation. They do not use slangs, they use perfect formal sentences. You'll see how much you learn from cartoons. You won't be able to learn that much from the movies. Also, you have to know the basics of grammar. You have to know what is noun, what is objective, what are pronouns, everything. If your basics are clear, the chances are very less that you will make any mistake. Listening to English will help you a lot to understand what a person who speaks in English is saying. You will be able to comprehend better. Then try to speak in English. Try to find that one partner with whom you can practice your language. Pick any friend and tell him or her that you want to improve your English, and from now on you will only speak in English. Try to get into conversations only and only in this language. It might get a bit uncomfortable for you. You might not be able to explain more, but slowly you will. Do not hesitate. When I was a child, I used to make a lot of mistakes, but still I used to speak in English. People might make fun of you. I know that happens, but do not get yourself down. Let them say whatever they want to. You do not have to stop. You have to continue on your path. So I used to watch movies in English even though I was not understanding anything. I used to switch on the subtitles, read on the subtitles. Sometimes I used to just pause the video right over there, read the subtitles, then again play the video, then read the subtitles, then again play the video. It might be time-consuming, but it is very helpful. Also, I suggest you to take a notebook video whenever you're watching something. If you feel like, okay, this is a good sentence to use, pause the video right then and there and write the sentence in your notebook and try to use it the next time when you speak in English. I still do it when I watch movies, whenever watch any series in English, and I feel like, oh wow, this is a wonderful sentence to use. I pause the video there. I put the sentences in my notes and I try to use it the next time. Also, about vocabulary. Try to enhance your workout. Try to learn at least of 3 new words every day. It will help you a lot. Trust me. I myself have a full notebook in which I have written the words which I did not know the meaning of. I searched the meaning on Google, then I started using those words. It might be uncomfortable sometimes, but I am pretty sure it will pay you off. Also, do not stop working on your grammar. Try to do at least 1 or 2 worksheets daily. Let's say if today you are learning tenses, you are learning what is present tense. So once you understand what is present tense, try to download some worksheets from internet and complete the worksheet. Do the worksheets. Try to write in your present tense. Also, try to maintain a diary. Now this diary is for you only. What you will do is by the end of the day, you will write in the diary about your whole day. What happened today? For example, I woke up at 8 o'clock. Then I brushed my teeth. I got ready. I went to school. In school, this or that happened. You know, you're explaining everything that happened in the whole day to yourself in your diary. And that is going to help you immensely. Also, once your writing listening is done, try to read. Try to read articles, anything that interests you. Let's say you're interested in why education is important. Okay? You want to read on this article. Try to find the articles on the internet. Read them. For example, let's say you want to read about education. Why education is important. Go on Google, search on why education is important. You will get a lot of articles over there. Try to read them, see how the article is written, see what kind of structure the writer has used, see how to make sentences. But this will only help you if you are already on an intermediate level. If you are a beginner, try to make sentences by yourself. Do not hesitate to write the sentences in the comment section below. I will definitely check it and get back to you if they are correct or not. But start it. Start writing. Start reading. Listening. Speaking. I cannot again stress enough on how much speaking is important. You might be making mistakes. Do not hesitate. Just keep on going. Speak. This will give you the confidence on how to speak in English. Next time when you speak to someone else, you will be confident enough to speak this language, right? So what I used to do is I used to make my whole environment about English. People might even make fun of you if you are living in a country where English is not your mother tongue. They will tell you, like, why are you talking in English? Well, let them say that. Do not hesitate. Again, tell them that you want to learn this language and you are trying to practice as much as you can. For example, let's say you go to a cafe. You want to order coffee. Next time to the waitress, if you're saying this thing in Hindi, that you know, I want a cup of coffee, try to say the same thing in English, okay? This will help you out a lot. You can always buy a grammar book of English to practice it. Try to fill in as many exercises as you can. Check the answers if they are correct or not. So writing will help you to perfect your grammar. Speaking will help you to get the confidence. Watching videos will help you to listen to English, to understand what the other person is saying. So practice is the most important thing. It is the key of everything. Practice daily and let me know how it's going. I did the same. I had practiced my English for at least past 5 years for me to get on this level. Now, trust me, I was nothing in this language when I started, but right now I am on a perfectly level where I can speak confidently, and that's all that counts. So I'm pretty sure if I can do it, then you can do it. Keep faith in yourself, and I'm here with you. I will upload new videos of grammar every day or every 2 days to help you practice it, to help you understand it. If you have any questions on grammar or on how to speak or how to listen or how to watch, just let me know. I will help you out. I'm pretty sure that you are going to do great with this language. Just keep practicing. I believe in you. See you in the next video. Till then, practice. Thanks very much for watching this lesson. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this one. Share it too. And also subscribe if you have not already. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I will see you again soon. Bye.